How to use ChatGPT for SEO. Use AI GPT for SEO Success 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about ChatGPT and how you can use it to boost your SEO and just make your SEO better. So in depth, we're going to talk about, using ChatGPT for SEO. As we all know, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you optimize your content for your search engines. And we're going to be exploring on how you can use it to improve your website's ranking. Okay. So before we dive into the specifics, of how to use ChatGPT for SEO, let's first talk about what ChatGPT it really is. Like you probably know, because right now, as we know, it's like on the rise. It's one of the greatest things out there. But ChatGPT is basically a machine learning model that is designed to understand human language and generate responses that are both informative and natural sounding. Basically, it will seem like you're chatting to a very smart Stanford professor or Harvard professor who's like knows everything about the world. So basically, it can be used for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, content generation, and yes, SEO. So how can ChatGPT help you with an SEO? Now that we've covered all, the essentials for ChatGPT, let's talk about how it can help you with SEO. ChatGPT can help you identify the most relevant keywords and phrases to include in your content to help it rank higher in search engine result pages. So let's say if I were to write, "Hi, I have a website in which I sell, let's say, guitars of original brands." Okay, so you can write, "What should be my, keywords to rank top and have a great SEO?" So write something like that. And once you write something like that, here we can see, as I write that, we're just going to wait for ChatGPT's response. So hello, when it comes to optimizing your website for search engines, you will want to focus on keywords that are relevant to your business and are frequently searched by your target audience. Here are some potential keywords and phrases you could consider targeting for your guitar selling website. And as you can see, original brand guitars, buy guitars online, guitar store, electric guitars for sale, acoustic guitars for sale, guitar deals, guitar accessories, guitar reviews, best guitar brands, guitar prices. These are just a few examples, but you should do some research on your target audience to determine what keywords they are searching for. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords and assess their search volume and competition level. Remember to use these keywords naturally and strategically throughout your website's content, including in titles, meta descriptions, headings, and body text, but avoid overusing them to the point of keyword stuffing, which can harm your SEO. So as you can see, you get the point on how you're going to basically use it. It can also help you generate meta descriptions and title tags that are optimized for search engines, as well as suggest content topics that are likely to perform well in search. So if you were to write, "Can you give me meta searches and tags for my website?" Okay, let's ask it to do that for us. There we go. And here we have it. Certainly, here are some meta tags and the meta descriptions you can use for your website. So meta title, original brand guitars by electric and acoustic. And as you can see, it's going to give you all these great meta names, all these tags, even in codes. And that's just great stuff. So you don't have to get into this technicality. You don't have to, have great research on this. You can just use your friendly chatbot, ChatGPT. So further on, basically, what more you can do is you can use ChatGPT for your keyword research. One of the most valuable ways to use ChatGPT for your SEO is for keyword search. By entering a topic or question related to your niche, ChatGPT can suggest related keywords and phrases that you can use to optimize your content. So, for example, if you're creating a blog post about healthy recipes, you can enter healthy recipes into ChatGPT, and it might suggest keywords like low-calorie recipes or vegan recipes or healthy meals. So, let's have, you can write, I have a gym appointment page. Give me good keywords for SEO. Okay, you don't rate that. And here you go. It's going to give you all these different keywords, which just work amazingly. Okay. So you can use these keywords to optimize your content and it increase its visibility in your search basically. Now, you can also use ChatGPT for your content creation. Another way to use ChatGPT for SEO is for content creation. ChatGPT can generate ideas for content topics based on your niche and target audience. So, basically, you can say, can you give me content topics for my niche? Okay, you can just write that. And look at that. Certainly, here are some content topic ideas for guitar selling websites. And as you can see, it just gives us great titles. So even if I were to give you an example, if you run a pet blog, let's say, you could ask ChatGPT to like ideas on topics related to pets, and it like might suggest how to train your dog, best cat breeds for families, or how to care for a pet rabbit. These content ideas can help you create content that is both relevant and valuable to your audience, which can improve your search engine rankings. So using ChatGPT for meta descriptions and title tags is also a great way. So finally, ChatGPT can also help you optimize your meta descriptions and title tags, which are important for your on-page SEO. By entering a topic or a keyword related to your content, ChatGPT can suggest meta descriptions and title tags that are likely to perform well in your search. These optimized meta descriptions and title tags can help your content stand out in search results and drive more traffic to your website. So, if I were to write, can you give me good title tag and meta description for my niche? You can just write that, and here you go. You're going to get title tags, and then you're going to get amazing meta descriptions. So yeah, that's basically about all there is to talk about ChatGPT and how you can use it for SEO.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family.
Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please drop down a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, very informative AI related videos that can help you improve your website performance, then please drop down a comment and I'll make more for you. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.